This 2021 Coachmen Freedom Express Ultralight 238 BHS front sofa, Murphy bed, rear DBL bunks is a travel trailer RV. It is located in Williamstown, New Jersey, 08094 and is offered for sale by White Horse RV Center. This used Coachman is 25 feet 9 inches in length and features one slide-out, a tan, brown classic neutrals interior, sleep 6, air conditioning, slide-out, external shower, auxiliary battery, skylight, and 50 gallons fresh water capacity. The floor plan layout of this travel trailer features bunk beds, mid-kitchen, Murphy bed, outdoor kitchen, U-shaped dinette. The unloaded weight of this 2021 Coachman Freedom Express Ultralight 238 BHS front sofa, Murphy bed, rear DBL bunks is 5,492 pounds. For more information and pricing on this unit, and to see all units available for sale by White Horse RV Center, visit RVUSA.com.